You know what makes chicken tenders even better? Doritos. This is one of those recipes that's just plain fun and seriously delicious. I'm Christina from It Is a Keeper and CakeMixRecipes.com. I share easy recipes that anyone can make. I believe if you can read, you can cook. Today, I'm showing you how to make Doritos Chicken Tenders. These are crispy, flavor-packed, and a total hit with kids and adults. To make it even easier for you, I included a link to the full printable recipe in the video description below, so make sure you grab it. Okay, so the first step in our Dorito chicken tenders is to get our Doritos crushed up. So I'm gonna use this whole bag of Doritos, and I'm putting them in my food processor. I'm not gonna overfill it, so I'm probably gonna have to do it in 2 batches. So we're just going to pulse our Doritos until we have fine crumbs. Probably takes about a good 10 pulses to break everything down. Okay, let me clear my workspace here and then we're gonna get to work on breading these. Okay, we're gonna set up our breading station. So we have our crumbs, and then to our other bowl, we're gonna make the sticky part. So I have an egg, and I got a nice big shell in it. There we go. And to our egg, I'm going to add some milk. And then with my fork, just whisk that together. Next up, we have chicken tenders. So I bought them already cut into tenders, and I removed that pesky tendon that runs through them. So you wanna do that. And then we're going to season our tenders with some of my all-purpose seasoning. So just a nice little seasoning. And then I'm gonna flip them over and do the same to the other side. So you wanna make sure you have a rimmed baking sheet lined with foil and then an oven-safe rack on top of that. And that's gonna allow airflow to get all the way around our chicken strips so that they stay nice and crispy. We don't want them getting soggy by sitting in their own juice. So we're gonna take each chicken tender, dip it in the egg, and then into our cheesy orange goodness here. All right, and I'm just gonna keep going till I get all my chicken strips coated. Okay, so our chicken is done. I've got big old orange clumpy fingers. I'm gonna go wash these off, and then we're gonna pop these in the oven. They only take about 18 to 20 minutes. We're looking for an internal temperature of 165 degrees. Just look at the golden crunch. These tenders are super easy to make, and you only need a few pantry ingredients. And here's a tip for you. Try using Cool Ranch or spicy nacho flavors of your Doritos if you want to mix it up. And they're also great made in the air fryer. There's no need to deep fry these. They are perfectly crispy just like this. So I am going in right now. I can't wait another second longer. You can hear how crispy they are. And juicy. Ooh, I could just see them. The chicken is glistening. The nacho flavor, oh my goodness. You guys, you have got to try these chicken tenders. They are definitely a keeper. Now make sure you share this video with someone who loves good food, and don't forget to grab that printable recipe in the show notes. Thanks for cooking with me today. If you love this recipe, you've got to check out my Frito corn salad. It's just as easy and packed with all that crunchy corn chip goodness. You can check it out here. I'll see you over there.